Hello guys, how's it going at your end? Hope everything is fine. Yes, I'm here once again with you. We are going to do one RC. As you know, these RCs are cherry picked. Uh, you know how I pick these RCs? It's like, uh, it has this question. This is a different type of question. Okay, it has this particular type of question that will be kind of very difficult for students to understand. It has this kind of a flow that makes question solving easy. So something or the other I notice in passages, and then based on these points I cherry pick these passages for you. So hopefully my efforts are not going to go waste and you all are going to improve with this series. Your beloved Love Thy RCs, that is the RC 100 series. So without further ado, I'm taking you over to this passage. है क्या अभी देखते हैं. Of course, objective of the session, it stays the same. We try to understand the main idea, map the passage. That is, we kind of trace the flow of the passage. That is called mapping. You know that by now. We locate important zones, which are the question pockets, where should we move on first gear, where should we move on fifth gear. These are important things to know. Then we try to understand the types of questions, and of course, our favorite elimination techniques. So what is this passage all about? देखते हैं. Many people believe that truth conveys power. Sounds philosophical. Hence, sticking with the truth is the best strategy for gaining power. Unfortunately, this is just a comforting myth. In fact, truth and power, so it's something philosophical, something, but I can see planet Earth, all right. So I don't know what this is about exactly. देखते हैं पहले कितना बड़ा passage है. I can see dense paragraphs, but then it talks something about first, second, third. You know, I just spot these things. So, okay, लग रहा है कि हाँ, this passage is going to be good. And this is the last para, I think. Okay, cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 paragraphs and 2 big paragraphs. Too small, but that's okay. We can manage. Now, I always go and check the questions first. Central theme is about the choice between what. So this is a main idea question. Next, regarding which one of the following quotes could we argue that the author overemphasizes the importance of fiction? So which one of the following quotes? कैसा question है ये? Are these quotes like proverbs taken from English literature? No, ऐसा दिख रहा है मुझे कि these are given in the passage. Okay, so probably the author is asking us, he has given us these quotes and he's saying in which of these does the author overemphasize the importance of fiction. So it's maybe, simple. We have to read the options and decide किसमें overemphasis दे रहा है. The author would support none of the following about political power except. So by now we know that the passage has some mention of political power. Support none of the following. Okay. No, no, no. Except. So there will be one true or one conclusion. Support है ना, about political power. So what will the author conclude or what will the author agree with? This is something of that sort. Okay, ये भी अच्छा ही होना चाहिए. Implies that like scholars, successful leaders. ये तो specific है. In the paragraph, in the passage, successful leaders must be mentioned. So, from this set, I would like to pick this, but number 2, first I would like to pick main idea. Main idea is always my favorite question. तो ये हो गया और ये जो quote and all ये देख लेंगे. But first we need to understand passage बोला क्या है, थोड़ा सा like, kind of, let's trace the flow. चलिए. So many people believe truth conveys power. First para तो I always can. अभी आप just देखते जाओ मैं कैसे इस passage को handle करूँगी. Many people believe that truth conveys power. Hence, sticking with the truth is the best strategy. Even I don't agree with it. इतना भी सच नहीं बोलने का होता है ना? सच कभी-कभी आपको डुबा देता है. Unfortunately, this is just a comforting myth. In fact, What is it? The author is giving his opinion. Truth and power have a far more complicated relationship. It's not as simple as it appears over here, because in human society, power means two very different things. Ab, it's very clear na, that he is going to discuss these two very different things in this para. तो यहाँ दिख रहा है on the one hand and on the other hand. There is a question about power. What will the author conclude about power? कुछ है. So एक बार हल्का सा देखते हैं. Not read too much, but power means ability to manipulate. Okay. On the other hand, it means having the ability to manipulate human beliefs. Okay. यहाँ objective realities को manipulate, यहाँ human beliefs को. Getting lots of people to cooperate. Alright, so when you manipulate people, this is generally what happens in campaigning and elections. You manipulate people and then they vote for you. So lots of people to cooperate effectively and elect a common leader या कुछ ऐसा. Building atom bombs, okay, ये नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ मैं. Planet Earth, Homo sapiens, chimpanzees, all right, large scale, all right, but. Okay, these stories need not be true. You can unite millions of people by making them believe in completely fictional stories about God. Religion is delusional, we know that. About race or about economics, the dual nature of this results in, all right, so something, but we also believe, okay. बहुत ही philosophical stuff है, मरने की जरूरत नहीं है ज्यादा. दिख गया कि इस पैराग्राफ में पावर के बारे में बोल रहा है. Two things. When it comes to uniting people around a common story, fiction enjoys advantages. Fiction is non-truth, okay? It enjoys three advantages over the truth. Advantages first, second, third. Most important bola hai, I'll read this. The truth is often painful and disturbing. Unalloyed reality, unpolished reality में अगर आप चिपकोगे, few people will follow you. आएंगे ही नहीं लोग अगर आप ज्यादा सच बोलोगे तो. An American presidential, okay, whole truth, okay, example hai. I'll come back to this later. But it is not a winning political strategy. कह रहा है इतना ज़्यादा भी सच मत बोलो. Now this is the last para. I'll read it. Even if we need to pay some price for deactivating our rational faculties, ये faculty members I quanta के वैसा नहीं है. Rational faculties बोले तो the way we think, logic. Okay, the advantages of increased social cohesion are often so big. Fictional stories, okay. Scholars have known this. Scholars have known what? Even if we have to pay some price for deactivating our thinking power, the advantages of increased social cohesion, bringing together, so big, advantages of bringing people together are so big that fictional stories triumph over truth. Fiction bol karke, you bring people together. Think of demagogues, the way they kind of campaign, the way they use rhetorical speech, the way they give false stories, and the way they kind of put people in delusion, and then people vote for that person in masses. Right? So, ये कह रहा है यहाँ पे fictional stories routinely triumph over the truth. Scholars को पता है ये. For thousands of years, scholars. Which is why scholars often had to decide whether they served the truth या तो सच और social harmony. That means truth में social harmony नहीं है. Oh, truth will lead to unrest, chaos, right? Should they aim to unite people by making sure everyone believes in the same story? स्टोरी दे करके सबको यूनाइट करके सुकून पीस हार्मनी मेंटेन करो, और शुड दे लेट पीपल नो द ट्रूथ इवन एट द प्राइस ऑफ डिसयूनिटी एंड chaos? इतना तो समझ में आ गया पैसेज में कि ट्रूथ ट्रूथ ट्रूथ, दैट्स द हीरो, राइट? शुड यू स्पीक द ट्रूथ, एंड लास्ट पैरा एंड फर्स्ट पैरा पुट टुगेदर गिव यू द मेन आइडिया. So even if you don't go around reading every little bit, you can at least try to understand. फर्स्ट पैरा में जैसे बोला है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस इज अ कंफर्टिंग मिथ. उतना सच मत बोलो. ट्रूथ एंड पावर हैव अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रिलेशनशिप. टू थिंग्स, ये पैरा में टू थिंग्स है पावर का, ये पैरा में लाइक एडवांटेजेस ओवर द ट्रूथ है. फिक्शन, हाउ इज फिक्शन बेटर देन ट्रूथ? ये बोला है इसने. एग्जाम्पल दिया है अमेरिकन का. एंड देन ट्राई टू रीड दिस पैरा केयरफुली. तो हियर ही इज सेइंग यू कैन ईदर हैव पीस, with stories, or truth with chaos. You decide what you have to do. Scholars का point यह है, मुझे पता है scholars पे question है. Done. I'll take you over to the first question now. So, the central theme is about the choice between what? सच बोलना है या नहीं बोलना है? Truth या fiction? Truth के साथ chaos या fiction के साथ unity? Truth and power, that wasn't the choice. Leaders who unknowingly spread fictions and those who intentionally do so. भाई होगा कहीं जिक्र किया हुआ. I'm not saying कि नहीं है. But main idea is not connected to that. Main idea can be this या फिर कहानी, fiction, truth, harmony, ऐसे words. Last para ने बोला है ना, should you do this or should you do that? That was the choice. That was the main idea. So first elimination should be B. A को रख लेते हैं. Stories that unite people and those that distinguish groups from each other. अरे unite people, correct? बोला तो है. But ये दूसरा क्या है? It's a choice between stories that unite people, fiction बोल के लोगों को unite कर लो, harmony रखो, या फिर truth बोल के chaos झेलो. And those that distinguish groups from each other, this part doesn't make sense. So this is out. So I'm left with A and D. Now you take a look, you decide कौन सा है answer. Attaining social cohesion, bringing together of people, and propagating objective truth. या तो आप सच बोल दो पूरा, या फिर cohesion ले आओ. These two can't go together. That is what they have said in the last para. बोला है ना यहाँ पे ये. Truth or social harmony. Social harmony is social cohesion, right? So the answer is definitely D. Okay. Even if you didn't get this, no worries. Work on your main idea. Number 2, I would like to go to this one. Scholars. Like scholars, successful leaders do what? Successful leaders में जाके देखना होगा. Know how to balance truth and social unity. Use myths to attain the first type of power. Today know how to create social cohesion better than in the past. Okay. Need to leverage both types of power to remain in office. Successful leaders, scholars, go back and check. This part talks about scholars. You can maybe turn back a little and see if successful leaders are mentioned anywhere. Do you see here? American presidential candidate, this is a leader. 100% guarantee of losing the elections. Okay, maybe you can just check this. It's a suggestion. Got it? ठीक है? और देख लो अगर कहीं दिया है सक्सेसफुल लीडर्स या कुछ ऐसा. Done. Like scholars बोला है ना? Like scholars. So scholars are here. Okay, done. Go on now. Eliminate. Do they use myths to attain the first type of power? Do they know how to create social cohesion better than in the past? I think my first elimination is this. ये कहीं नहीं बोला है. This is again like red flag, faulty comparison. Okay. Need to leverage both types of power. Which both types of power? वहां तो एक बोल रहा है या तो ये या ये. The main idea is a choice. Okay. So this is eliminated. Correct? So it's between A and B. No, successful leaders like scholars know how to balance truth and social unity, or they know how to use myths to attain the first type of power. I'll take you back again. I think it's there in the last para. And scholars, successful leaders, क्योंकि leaders यहाँ पे है ना, so leaders Scholars, if you connect, I think it's more or less the same thing that they are saying. If you tell the public the truth and nothing but the truth, 100% guarantee of losing. So don't tell them the truth. This is what it is. Right? Are we done? Chalo. So between A and B, yes, it is A. Successful leaders, they know how to mask the truth. They know how to balance truth and social unity. वो truth दे करके या तो you give truth and take chaos, or you give social unity with the help of stories. So they are manipulative. This is what the passage is implying. They know how to do this. Okay. तो ये आपका हो गया. Okay. Then I would like to go to this. Overemphasizes the importance of fiction. All right. So this says, in fact, truth and power have a far more complicated relationship because in human society means two very different things. इसमें fiction का तो overemphasis नहीं है. I can see that eliminated. Hence, sticking with the truth is the best strategy for gaining power. Unfortunately, this is a comforting myth. Okay. So, ये कह रहा है यहाँ पे कि this is a myth, so you need to go with fiction. I'll keep this. On the one hand, power means having the ability to manipulate objective realities, to hunt animals, to construct, to this. This is power means the ability to manipulate objective realities, to hunt animals and something, but ये overemphasis नहीं है. Right? So it's between 2 and 4. Scholars often had to decide whether they serve the truth or social harmony. Should they aim to unite people by making sure everyone believes in the same fiction, or should they let people know the truth? So, between these two, B and D, obviously D is the better one because ये बोला है over emphasizes the importance of fiction कि fiction बहुत जरूरी है, कहानी बहुत जरूरी है. So here in option D, he is giving you something called false dilemma. Okay, false dilemma is like जबरदस्ती का choice. या तो ये करना है या ये करना है, या तो ये करना है या ये करना है. Right? So here he is emphasizing या तो आप फिक्शन की तरफ जाओ, वरना अगर आपने फिक्शन नहीं पकड़ा तो हार्मनी नहीं रहेगा. So he is trying to overemphasize the importance of fiction. ठीक है? So it is D. Question 3. The author would support none of the following except. Okay. So nahi, 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 and then one is true. Okay. So manipulating people's beliefs is politically advantageous, but a leader who propagates only myths is likely to lose power. All right. There are definite advantages to promoting fiction, but there needs to be some limit to a pervasive belief in myths. While unalloyed truth is not recommended, मतलब बिल्कुल stark truth, leaders should stay as close as possible to it. सबसे पहला elimination तो ये है. Because leaders का उसने clearly बोला है, with truth you cannot win. Okay, should stay as close as possible. 100% loss, American leader wala example mein, it's very clear. So the author would not support this. People cannot handle the unvarnished truth, so leaders retain power by deviating from it. People cannot handle. Okay, is that the reason why leaders deviate from it? Let's go back and try to confirm this. Okay, so this is the second paragraph, the big one. Maybe you'll get something here. Okay. But we also believe in much more nonsense. Firstly, whereas the truth is universal, fiction tends to be local. Distinguish our tribe, okay, fine. Reliable stories, यहाँ पे वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Political loyalty, but believing okay. And therefore, believing ridiculous and outlandish stories exacts greater cost and is therefore a better signal of loyalty. Painful and disturbing क्या है? If you stick to unalloyed reality, few people will follow you. American president candidate सच बताता है, the whole truth and nothing, there's 100% guarantee of losing. Adherence to the truth isn't this is a spiritual practice, but it is not a winning political strategy. So people, जैसा यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि people यहाँ बोला है should they aim to unite people by making sure everyone believes in the same fiction. So people actually want झूठ. आप उनको अगर सच बोलोगे 100% ट्रूथ, जैसा कि वो एग्जाम्पल में बोला है, they will not come to you, they will abandon you. Okay, so ये तो eliminated था, ये ठीक ठीक लग रहा है मुझे. There are definite advantages to promoting fiction, but there needs to be some limit. This limit has not been talked about. Advantages, definitely. 3 advantages दिया है. So I will eliminate this. It's between A and D. Manipulating people's beliefs is politically advantageous. Yes, you get a win, but a leader who propagates only myths is likely to lose power. Myth means fiction. Lose power? No, but the example says कहानी देगा तो वो जीतेगा. So this portion is wrong. So this is eliminated and this should be your answer. Okay. People cannot handle ekdam stark truth, so leaders move away from that. They give people what they want to hear, and that's how they rise to power. Okay guys, I hope this is clear. Triple DA. Besides this RC100 series, you can also go and check out our other products like VRC Essentials, LRDI Essentials, Non-Engineers, VA, क्या है ये Non-Engineers का QA, sorry. Yeah. So, in case you have been planning to join us, please do so. This is the right time and we are going to help you with your CAT prep. Thank you so much guys. I'm going to meet you again. Take care.
आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. अब मैं आपको एक शॉकिंग फैक्ट बताता हूँ. ये डेटा जो आपकी स्क्रीन पे शो कर रहा है कि iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल के 60% व्यूअर्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. सब्सक्राइब ना करने का रीजन ये हो सकता है कि यार एनीवे जो ब्राउज फीड है उस पर तो वीडियो आ ही जाता है, बट सब्सक्राइब क्यों करना चाहिए वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल का अगर आप प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन देखोगे, यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी यूजफुल प्लेलिस्ट मिलेंगी. अगर आपका अरिथमेटिक वीक है तो ये आप अरिथमेटिक प्लेलिस्ट यहाँ पे चेकआउट कर सकते हो. ज्योमेट्री वीक है तो ज्योमेट्री प्लेलिस्ट चेकआउट कर सकते हो. एल्जेब्रा में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो एल्जेब्रा प्लेलिस्ट. एंड नॉट जस्ट दिस, अभी करंटली जो प्लेलिस्ट चल रहा है वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट 200 क्वेश्चंस का एंड RC100 वाला प्लेलिस्ट जो शबाना मैम का है. ये सारे जो प्लेलिस्ट के वीडियोस होते हैं इन पे उतने ज्यादा व्यूज नहीं होते बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जो पढ़ने वाली जनता है वो बहुत कम है. बट अगर आप उनमें से एक हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो. रेगुलर बेस पे इन प्लेलिस्ट का वीडियो आता रहता है, आपकी फीड में आपको सबसे पहले दिखेगा. एंड नॉट जस्ट दिस, अब जो आने वाला टाइम है उसमें आपका कैट का फॉर्म आएगा, देन डिफरेंट एग्जाम्स के फॉर्म आएंगे, अलग अलग तरीके के नोटिफिकेशन आएंगे. जैसे ही कोई अपडेट कैट 25 से रिलेटेड आता है, सबसे पहले वो अपडेट आपको iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल पर मिलने वाला है. तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल.